XRP holders, the excitement is building. Things are heating up with the XRP ETF, and it feels like the dominoes are finally falling into place. Wall Street could be gearing up to go all in on XRP, and the Ripple case seems poised for some major developments. Big moves are on the horizon. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, stick around. You just might hit that subscribe button by the end of this video.
I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today.
Let's dive in, because the crypto space is starting to look a bit different. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain in a holding pattern, but XRP is showing signs of life. Over the past 24 hours, XRP has ticked upward, gaining nearly 9% in the last week. Earlier today, we saw a jump from $2.43 to $2.60. While the 7-day chart looks promising, let's not forget we're still down quite a bit from the 1-month performance. Stay tuned. There's a lot to unpack. We've got some ground to cover, but XRP is showing promising price action that's hard to ignore. It's giving serious déjà vu. Think back to early in the year, just before that explosive run to $3.30. Looking at the charts now, we're seeing a familiar pattern, a bearish candle followed by bullish momentum. If history repeats itself, this could mirror the setup from late December to early January, where XRP surged to $3.40, give or take, depending on the exchange. So, what's going to fuel XRP to break past those January highs? It could be game-changing ETF news, a breakthrough in the SEC case, or even a major market shift. But honestly, I believe XRP has the potential to push higher no matter the catalyst. The entire crypto market feels poised for a big awakening, and XRP looks ready to ride that wave. XRP stole the spotlight with a solid boost, but there's a bit of green all around in the past 24 hours. Nothing wild though. Over the last week, however, we're seeing impressive gains across the board. A welcome sight after the rocky ride most coin holders have been enduring. You all know what I'm talking about. Still, I'm calling it. 2024 is shaping up to be a game changer for crypto. We just need to ride out the turbulence, and then it's liftoff, blast off. So what sparked XRP's rally? If you've been paying attention, you already know. The SEC has acknowledged the XRP 19B4 ETF filings. Huge, right? And as Brad Garlinghouse put it best, and more than once, this was inevitable, no matter what the naysayers claimed. The buzz around an XRP ETF is growing louder, and the message from Ripple's top executives couldn't be clearer. It's coming. Brad Garlinghouse, Monica Long, David Schwartz, and even Marcus Invenger, plus one other team member, have all hinted at the same thing. An XRP ETF is inevitable. In fact, either Monica or Brad went as far as to call it imminent. With momentum building and the pieces falling into place, this feels like a turning point. What happens next could be huge. As Eleanor updated us, the implications are big. Stay tuned. For everyone wondering what's happening, the SEC has officially acknowledged Grayscale and NYSE's 19B4 application to turn its XRP trust into an ETF. Does this mean instant approval? Nope. Does it guarantee approval later? Not at all. So why does it matter? Because it shows the SEC is starting to crack the door open instead of slamming it shut on these crypto products. Remember when exchanges yanked their Solana 19B4 applications last December after Gensler gave them the cold shoulder? This feels different, but don't get too excited yet. There's still a long road ahead for crypto ETFs like Litecoin, Dogecoin, Solana, and XRP. This is an exciting first step, signaling that these products could eventually hit the market. Next on the SEC's plate, reviewing XRP ETF applications from Bitwise Invest, 21 Shares, Canary Funds, and WisdomTree, who followed Grayscale's lead. For Grayscale, the 240-day approval clock starts when its filing is published in the Federal Register, just a matter of days now. But let's cut through the noise. What are these ETFs really about? Many misunderstand their purpose. In my view, ETFs are for the everyday investor, the ones who don't dive deep into crypto research, navigate exchanges, or trust the current platforms. They're for people who prefer the reliability of established financial giants. Think WisdomTree or, in the case of Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock, a name synonymous with trust, managing trillions in assets. ETFs open the crypto door to the masses. They bring legitimacy, increase trading volume, and broaden the community. This is a major step forward for crypto adoption, and the ripple effects could be game-changing. This is shaping up to be a bullish moment for XRP, and all eyes are on what's next. Brad Garlinghouse previously highlighted the significance of the 19B4 filing on February 6th, calling it the alarm clock for what's to come. His message: the clock is ticking on ETFs, and approval is inevitable. An XRP ETF isn't a question of if, but when, and that's huge news for the crypto community. Adding to the excitement, we're seeing significant XRP movement. While trading volume is relatively stable at $5.41 billion, up just 0.51%, Whale Alert flagged two major transactions. The big one, a whopping 300 million XRP, valued at $780 million, was moved from Ripple to an unknown wallet outside the escrow account. This unexpected transfer has definitely caught everyone's attention. Something big could be brewing. What's going on here? Honestly, we're not sure, but something big might be brewing. Let's break it down. At 5:08 p.m., Eleanor dropped a post. By 5:25 p.m., a major alert hit. Coincidence? I don't think so. Could it be tied to the SEC case? Absolutely possible. Now here's where it gets interesting. $780 million moved. Yep, you read that right. And if that wasn't enough, 90 million XRP, worth about $230 million, was transferred between two unknown wallets. Suspicious? Definitely. We're keeping an eye on this, but so far, these are the standout transactions. In the last 24 hours, there's been a lot of crypto on the move, but these XRP transfers really stand out, especially given the timing alongside the SEC drama. Now, let's connect some dots. Tony Edward from the Thinking Crypto podcast recently interviewed the CIO of Bitwise. They dove deep into the CBOE's 19B4 filings for XRP ETFs and the SEC's recently more open discussions about these ETFs. Just last week, Bitwise and others filed for XRP ETFs. Coincidence? Maybe. What's the deal with the XRP ETF? While I can't dive into specifics about our filing, here's what this means on a broader scale. Remember when ETF applications were a game of stop and go? Submissions would get filed and then abruptly withdrawn. Now, with multiple issuers refiling across the board, it's clear the industry senses the SEC is more open to exploring these ETFs. Does this mean guaranteed approval? No, but the willingness to discuss is a massive step forward. Conversations around XRP, Solana, and other assets are gaining momentum, and we believe the SEC is leaning toward helping investors access these assets through ETPs. Over the next 6 months, we'll see how it plays out, but the outlook is already brighter than it was a month ago, and leaps ahead compared to 4 months ago. The entire crypto environment feels transformed. This SEC seems notably pro-crypto, signaling a significant shift in perspective, which is exciting to watch unfold. We're also seeing movement across other regulatory bodies, like the CFTC and the new Crypto Council, alongside big pushes from the Trump administration to support crypto. This isn't the same playing field as before. Even Wall Street is jumping in, with Forbes recently pointing out that they're ready for Ripple and XRP ETFs. The US is shaping up to be a pro-crypto playground, with regulators finally warming up to the space. The CFTC even invited Ripple to collaborate on a digital assets pilot. Major news. So what's holding back the approval of XRP ETFs? Honestly, it feels like there's nothing left standing in their way. It seems inevitable at this point. When they get approved, and I believe they will, it's going to light a fire under XRP's price action. What's with all the XRP alerts lately? Speculation is swirling. Is it related to the SEC case? Maybe, but it's too early to call, so I'm staying cautious on that front. Still, we're seeing a significant amount of XRP on the move, signaling that big changes might be around the corner. Progress is happening. We're inching closer to XRP ETFs being greenlit. When that happens, expect a domino effect. There are 8 or 9 ETFs in the pipeline, and their approval could send shockwaves through the market. Exciting times, right? For XRP holders, patience is key, but the payoff could be massive. Buckle up. This could be the start of something big. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates. Let's ride this wave together.